What the fuck is this piece of shit?
Hey guys, I'm going to repair my Tesla with this paint kit. And then inside of here, you can see wiping cloths and microfiber, and then gloves, and then two paint. One is paint for color, the one is for blending solution after you apply this paint. And then this rubber is to spread out the paint. And then this is for to paint it on your Tesla. So this is the area I'm going to apply. It's kind of really big here.
A few moments later.
So I think my spot is really big. So it needs to be applied multiple times. So I'm not sure if this is actually cover my scratches, but let's see how it goes. So this is my Tesla with the dry paint, but the color does not match.